What up? Welcome to Motion Culture. Swadee Cup. Today we're going to talk about my personal car that I bought for my wife. It is a Toyota Crown 151 and we did so many things over a 1.5 year period of it. So today I'm going to walk you through the modification we did, the pain point, what took so long, what didn't, and what is the highlight of this car. So alright man, let's go. Let's start. First and foremost, the color. It's called English White. No racist. It belongs to Rolls-Royce. It's an actual Rolls-Royce cone paint called English White, and most of my car is from Rolls-Royce because they got good color choices. We did the whole body. It came in silver with some ugly JDM wheels, and we painted English White because I wanted something that looks very beautiful and elegant. Having that said, I think white goes well with gold, kind of like Japanese emperor style. So the wheel over here, we got MVP 18-inch. I will put the ET on the screen right here because we have so many wheels, but we calculated this and there was not so many information about Toyota Crown 151, 1997, about the size of the offset, but we got it just perfect. It's only 18-inch and the wheel is made out of brushed gold, polished gold, and polished aluminum, all in one wheel. Monoblocks by MVP. Moving on to the next on the interior, man. You guys really got to see the interior of this car. I draped it with this like magenta Alcantara with lime green, because opposite color complementary, right? Stitching, and I highlight some part here and there with the lime green. Looks beautiful, but not too subtle. I think we didn't nail that 100%, but I will fix that later. As far as the carbon fiber, we got that sexy stripper stocking carbon fiber in silver color because I want to keep the car bright on the inside. The roof, we got this Alcantara microfiber material in white. If you guys drive your car every day, not recommended. Get something else. As far as the sound system, we got the Alpine tuned-in navigation system, which I hardly ever use. And then I got, I think the front, I got not Harmonica, Infinity with a separate tweeter on the front. Of course, I got the subwoofer and the DSP from the M-Series, special tune for this car. If you guys want to tune, like, subscribe, I'll give you the Alpine system tuning setup for the DSP for this car. Sounds amazing. For the seat, for the door, we kept it original because fabric like this, number one, it doesn't make noise like leather. You know that. It makes some noise. It's annoying. And you don't have this anymore, man. This is straight JDM market, right? Also, I got the seat belt, custom seat belt. You guys can come see it. Come see it over here. Seat belt is also purple, magenta-ish. It's got the MVP logo on because why not? We can. And there's a 6-inch speaker over here. That's Harman at the door. I'll walk you through the engine in a bit. We'll open up the engine first. In the back, nothing much. Very clean. I have a house cleaning crew who knows how to clean the carpet with steam cleaning. Come in to clean it twice because I want to keep everything original. Again, we just accent this part with the magenta Alcantara. Oh yeah, one more beautiful thing about this car is that 1997 variant or Crown 151 is one of the only Toyota Crown without a frame. So it's a frameless window. We still kept the original sticker, not sticker, the emblem of the Crown. That's gonna be worth money. One day it's hard to find. And then on the back, I would like to have some Matrix LED on it. I haven't had that yet. As far as the exhaust system, which will come to the highlight of this car, exhaust system is aim gain. If you guys like JDM, y'all know what aim gain is. I got the quad exhaust in the back, all aim gain straight up from Japan. And then on the engine, under the hood, we got 1JZ twin turbo. I changed the bearing of the turbo, remapped it to about 300 horsepower, and we're just ironing out a small little bug right now. One more thing before we go to the engine. Guys, come here. I want you to see the interior. The cluster on the Crown come very green, very old school, very ugly. I wanted to match the exterior of the car. So all my cluster is white with ice blue dial, right? Even over there on the radio controlling unit, it's all cool white. This took a while. That's a long story that goes with it. On the day I drove it back without the air conditioning unit and the car got in the flood and I had to fix the whole bunch of bajillion things. Anyhow, this light also still works, man. At night you see it glow yellow, which is really beautiful because my spotlight's always yellow. That's the MVP shit. Under the hood, we got 1JZ, first gen super engine, Toyota Crown, which fit this car perfectly because it comes with a JZX chassis, right? So it comes with 1G. Basically, it's just like a fucking detuned version of 1J with no turbo. But this is 1J, twin turbo, all kind of original remap, putting out about 300 horsepower on the crank and 260 on the floor, right? We got the HKA floor-off valve. And that's pretty much what I've done to the car so far. It took me about a year to finish it. I still got a couple of things to iron as far as the engine, to make it run smooth, to make it be able to run daily. The reason I have this car is because my wife is born in 1997, and when I grew up in Japan, there was always Yakuza bus in front of Ginza building, or like VIP taxi. That looks so cool. I mean, I couldn't afford those taxis back in the days. Always wanted to get up in there, you know, taxi driver with the white glove, with the white kilt behind the seat. So now I have an opportunity to get one, and this is my reimagination of what a Toyota Crown I saw back in the day would be like if I owned it. So if you guys like it, hope this video was helpful. I got a bajillion of these cars that we modified MVP Garage. For now, like and subscribe, man. Peace and love.